Hello guys, it's Bone again, and uh, today's video is gonna be about taking input from the user. In the last video, I introduced you to the basics of C++, the syntax, the different meanings of all these lines, and how to output stuff, and some basic intro to the concept of variables and operators. That video got a bit too long, with 17 minutes, so I didn't include the input part as it was already getting like 3 GB. So this video is going to be about taking input from the user. So now we know about the command named cout, right? So I've already told you what cout does. It prints a given text onto the screen. Similarly, for input, what you do is the command is called cin. Now, obviously, when you take input, you need to store it somewhere. So that's where variables play their part. So suppose you want to accept a number, an integer to be specific, from the user, you create a integer variable, let's say int x, and to get its value, use the cin command. And as you can see, for cout, we use the lesser than sign twice. Okay, it's called the uh, what is it called? I don't know. It's some type of operator. So for cin, you just reverse it. Use the greater than sign twice, cin, and then the name of the variable you want to store the data in. So that would be cinx. And now uh, x has a value which was given by the user. You don't know what it is. Now if you say want to display it to the user again, you can do cout. uh, I'm gonna add a line break here to make it more readable. Cout ndlx. Now let's try to run it. You'll see it will first display hello world and then wait for me to type a number. And if I don't type anything and press enter just like that, nothing will happen. See, if I just press enter like that, nothing happens. Let's say I type in number, say 7, and display 7. So this is how you can take input from the user and do stuff with it. Say now you want to return the sum of two numbers given to you by the user. So what you can do is declare two variables, say int a, b, and then you can see in both the numbers. Now remember how I told you that you can see out multiple things in a single statement by adding the operator again and again. You can do the same thing with cin. You can just do cin a b in a single line instead of having to type cin a and cin b in separate lines. And now you can see out a plus b. So if we run this, say let's say first number 5, second number 10, you get 15. It works. So these are the basics of taking input from the user. You can take different value types also. Let's say we want to take a character value. Sorry, my left click is a bit fucked up. Yeah, character value char a cin a cout a. And I put in, say, dash. I get a dash. If you remember, character value not only takes in alphabets, it takes in numbers and all sorts of special characters also. So a dash would not result in an error. I could have typed a letter, say H, or I could have typed, say, a number 5. A character can take any sort of value. So this one will be a short video. I'll give you some questions. The questions will be in the description. If you have any concerns, any doubts regarding the questions, or you just want me to evaluate your code, feel free to email me at boneteaches@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video. Love you all. Bye bye.